channel is all about design lessons and design tips. I try to make it as educational as possible and as clear and simple as possible. Hopefully it inspires you too. Today I want to share with you some inspiration. This new series of videos are all about my design loves, specific rooms or elements of design that I love. And today I'm sharing my love of wall sconces. So, in anticipation of Valentine's Day, I'm in the mood for a little wall sconce love. Today's video is sponsored by Ana Luisa Jewelry. They have beautiful pieces, and with V-Day coming up around the corner, you might want to take advantage of their current Valentine's Day sale. So let me tell you a little bit about this amazing brand so you can get some beautiful pieces for yourself or someone you love. The necklace that I'm wearing is exactly why I think you'd love this for Valentine's Day. It's called the Lev. It's a 16.5-inch chain with a puffed heart pendant. It's the perfect blend of cute and glamorous, which makes it perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm loving the size and scale of the pendant. It feels weighty, so it sits so perfectly when you're wearing it. I always talk about how things feel in my hands, things like door hardware, cutlery, and glassware. You want these things to feel like they are sturdy or a heavier weight in your hand because that makes them feel expensive. And when it's not as expensive as you'd think it would be, that's a huge plus. That's sort of how I feel about Ana Luisa's jewelry. It's great quality at a great price point. The earrings I'm wearing today are called the Abbey. They're like a modified hoop earring. I love how they are classy but showy at the same time. And again, the weight is super comfortable. And speaking of hoops, I got these ones too. They're called the Cuidado earrings, a pared down elongated hoop. They're so elegant, I can't wait to try them out. All of these pieces are coated in 14 karat gold. Everything is priced fairly and produced ethically. There's no unnecessary mining, and they use recycled materials whenever possible. And they are 100% carbon and water neutral. So if you're looking to buy something special for you or someone in your life, now's the time. They're having an amazing sale ahead of Valentine's Day. Head to the link in the description for 40% off. Speaking of jewelry, I consider wall sconces to be a lot like jewelry for your walls, and I don't think wall sconces are used enough in our homes. They can provide great lighting in very specific areas, but they also offer up a great opportunity for something beautiful and interesting to look at. I consider them functional art. Think of them as wall candy or jewelry for your walls. Think outside of the box. Don't fall for the same old, same old. Look for wall lights that say something about you and your aesthetic. They come in so many designs, like this deco-inspired light, or these charming flower-shaped lights. I love a sleek shape with beautiful colored glass, or maybe something that hangs just like so. Look for one with more than one light, or something where you can adjust the light to where you need it most. In this video, I'm not talking about wall sconces on either side of your bathroom mirror. Truly, forget your basic wall sconce. I'm going to inspire you to look elsewhere in your home. Look for something that inspires you, and then you'll definitely want to find a spot for it in your home. Let's get inspired. First off, lighting up a hallway or staircase properly is key for safety, obviously. But sometimes it's also a great opportunity to create a little design moment, something a little unexpected. We've all seen art on the wall. Wall lights like these can really push that idea one step further by lighting up the art as well as the space, making it feel brighter and wider. But think about the end of the hallway, especially if you've got a dead end type hallway like this. Adding some artwork or even a little stool is great for that little extra added touch in the hall. But adding a wall sconce makes it so much more impactful. It really brings attention to that dead space. But even more interesting, in my opinion, is adding a light that is a little unexpected. For instance, I love wall sconces located on stairs. This lovely light is such a highlight for this staircase. So simple, and yet it's striking and impactful, and it lights up the start of the stairs. Many homes will be built with recessed lighting to light up stair landings. But if you've got one little recessed pot light above a stair landing, I think it would be so much more interesting to have a wall sconce instead. Here's another example. A brass faceted fixture. It's a little piece of art on the wall. And here, a series of wall sconces along the rise of the stairs. This little gem of a light, I love the antique nickel finish and shade. A recessed light would be ignored and practically an afterthought. What I'm saying is that lighting shouldn't be an afterthought. Be purposeful with your lights and make them a reason to shine. This light is quite traditional, but it could be any other style and design. It's up to you. Just remember that it's an opportunity for something special. Now, let's head to the kitchen. If there's ever an open wall space above the kitchen counter, I always consider the possibility of placing a wall sconce. It's the perfect little spot for a spotlight, an opportunity for a little extra something. It could be simple and subtle like this, or something a little more dramatic. I love this rustic vintage wall sconce, echoing the rustic repurposed nature of this sink cabinet. See how that light just enhances the design direction? Speaking of empty wall space, how beautiful is this wall sconce? Two, in fact. The stove and hood fan are always a great opportunity for a focal point in your kitchen, and wall sconces on either side will only enhance that focus. Here's another lovely example. If you've got space on either side of your hood fan, a wall sconce might be perfect. Or maybe you've got a window. A downlight can cast some beautiful light in the evenings when the daylight no longer exists. Wall sconces over top of open shelves are great to highlight what's on the shelves. Art and art pieces just love a hit of light. And I especially love a wall sconce if you've got a small space and just room enough for a small bistro table and a couple of chairs. A wall sconce can add so much to that kind of space. This one just hangs perfectly above the table. So much happens in a kitchen. Lighting should be integrated into the kitchen's function and push the kitchen's design aesthetic forward as well. Next on my list of places to use wall sconces is your bedroom. Wall sconces can be great sources of light and design on either side of the bed. Instead of table lamps, you might want to consider wall sconces like these. I love these swing arm lights. They're quite dramatic. Or this one with two sources of lights. Great for reading in bed at night while still providing additional glow upwards into the space. But it doesn't have to be adjustable lighting. It could be something like this beautiful glass fixture. I love the tiered ribbed glass globes and that beautiful tassel at the bottom. A wall sconce that hangs in the air. Talk about wall candy. Or maybe you're looking for something a little more mysterious and technical. This wall sconce is super modern and minimalist. This one casts beautiful light patterns on the wall. Or this one, shimmery glass, very much like jewelry for your walls. Wall sconces for seating areas within your bedroom are a great place to add a little something special too. This bedroom has wall sconces on either side of the bed, but also on the adjacent wall, highlighting a full-length mirror. Notice they are different from each other, but have similar properties and finishes and materials to keep them looking like they belong in the same room. By the way, I have another video about powder rooms. Yes, I love powder rooms. If you're looking for design inspiration for your own powder room, you'll want to check out this video right here. Everything I find inspiring about a powder room, I'll link it below. And finally, living rooms can benefit from a wall sconce or two. I'm a huge fan of lighting on a fireplace overmantel like this. I love these little brass sconces made to look like a single candle. No fuss, no muss, just classic and elegant. These double arm fixtures with a lovely fabric shade is a lovely detail. They play well with the fabulous pendant lighting in the middle of the room. And here, a little less flashy but still quite elegant, these glass hurricane sconces are backed with a mirror plate that will reflect the light even more. And traditional fireplaces aren't the only ones that could benefit from a wall sconce. This modern marble mantel is highlighted by two organic shaped wall sconces. All of it is stunning. And if you don't have a fireplace, don't worry, add a wall sconce in the corner of the room. I love this double arm wall sconce. No need for a table lamp. A wall sconce can make such an impact and still provide great lighting for that area of the room. Here's another one, similar, and it becomes all the artwork you need on that wall. It's graphic and interesting to look at. One of my all-time favorite lights is the 265 light from a company called Floss. It's the ultimate cantilevered wall light. It reaches across and provides instant drama. I love it for the corner of your living room for a fantastic reading corner. Or place it at one end of your sofa. So there you have it. My love of wall sconces runs deep. Sometimes I see a wall sconce and I know that I have to find a spot for it somewhere in someone's home, if not my own. Not only are they practical, but they can really make an impact on your overall design aesthetic. Look for places that are a little out of the ordinary. Consider a wall sconce leading you up the stairs, a wall sconce for your reading chair, a couple of sconces for your fireplace. The options are endless and the oohs and ahs will be as well. So think outside of the box and go shop for a wall sconce or two. I hope this has inspired you to look for new ways to be creative with your home and with your lighting. If you've been inspired by any of these designs, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you're loving. And do you want to see more of my design loves? Let me know. Also, maybe my own jewelry today has inspired you to take a look at Ana Luisa, especially with Valentine's Day right around the corner. I always shop a little something for myself for Valentine's Day. Why not? Ana Luisa is all about sustainable jewelry that looks and feels special, and I think you'll be so happy when you receive them. Head to the link in the description below right now and get a 40% discount on your order. The sale ends soon, so don't miss out. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. We've got new design videos every week. Hit that notification button so you don't miss the next video. If you need personalized design advice, look for me on Patreon. And a great big thank you to my patrons. I've been scheduling calls and helping them with virtual design advice all month. And as always, if you like this video, please hit that like button. It helps to grow this channel. See you soon.